Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're back with another Amazon finds and favorites. I had a TikTok go viral with one of these favorites, so I have to share so many good things with y'all today. I have stuff that would be great gifts for the holidays. I have clothing, I have get the look for less, have essentials. I'm just so excited. Everything will be linked down below, including my stunning dress that will not fit me very soon. I love it. It's like perfect for the fall and baby showers and all the boy mom things. Check out my Amazon shop if you haven't already. Amazon is having another Prime Day, or kind of like an early Black Friday sale in October. So excited to do giveaways, to share all the finds, all the good deals with y'all. So stay tuned and subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok for more of me, more Amazon recommendations, and let's get into it. You know what's good when I don't even know where to start? It's a little, okay, it's a dog tag for Skippy, just because he is the most prone to getting lost. I got it personalized. It says Skippy on the tag. They have a bunch of different design options, and then the bag, I won't show you the whole thing for privacy reasons, but it has my phone number and our address. Perfect gift, by the way. It was only $14. It came with everything you see here to attach it to a collar, and I'm just completely obsessed. It will definitely be in a gift guide during the holidays. When I tell you I was this close to treating myself and getting this set full price, the Free People set is $128, okay? Free People is pretty pricey, and sometimes it's worth it, but sometimes I would rather settle for an Amazon alternative, and that's exactly what I did. It's so good. It's so good. It's the perfect rib material. It's a perfect oversized fit. I'm obviously pregnant, so this is gonna be great for the fall, the winter, postpartum. It's just so comfy, and I can definitely mix and match this with leggings, with jeans, and wear it as a top. I got a size medium once again because I'm pregnant, but the fit is definitely more oversized. The waistband is so stretchy. I'm 4'11", so I'm definitely on the shorter side. It comes in different colors. It also comes without the stripes in more like neutral, solid colors. I'm obsessed with this. The quality is incredible. It went viral on TikTok. So many people bought it. So many people are raving about it. So I highly recommend, if you like this look, if you've been wanting the Free People one, to get the Amazon version. Now more than ever, I'm struggling with my skin. I don't know if it's like because I'm having a boy this time, but I'm breaking out. So I decided to give this a try. This has been in my save for later for months because I saw a TikTok that this is great for unclogging pores, things under your skin, just evening out your texture. It's by one of my favorite Korean skincare brands from Amazon. It's called MediHeal. I also use their cleanser. I've used a ton of their products, and these are toner pads. They already have the products soaked in, and I love the fact that this one comes with a little tongue to grab them. This has really brought out everything to the surface, which obviously I have to deal with a lot of breakouts that I usually don't deal with, but my skin has gotten so much better because all those things are coming out instead of just being under my skin and creating texture and unwanted whiteheads and things like that. So if you struggle with the same thing, give these a try. But like I said, they do have something for a lot of different skin concerns, so I would definitely check out the listing. They have so many. I've been wearing the exact same lip product all year, so I thought I would give this one a try. It's a newer product for me. It's a Glow Paradise Mulberry Bliss, a creamy lipstick. Let me show you. Super creamy. It kind of reminds me of like the Tarte lip products. A beautiful lip stain if you apply it, you know, sparingly, or you can get way more coverage if you do a lot. It's what I'm wearing on my lips today. I'm obsessed with this formula, but more importantly, this thing was $7, and there's so many different shades for different skin tones or different preferences. This is kind of like the darker nudie mauve, and I love it. Then I saw a girl recommend these pajamas on TikTok, and I've been wanting the real version for months, ever since I saw it for the first time on TikTok. So I didn't want to splurge $115 on pajamas that might not fit me in like a year. So I got the Amazon version. I still really want to treat myself. This is what they look like. They're $25 for the set. The other ones are $115, okay? Dwarf, I don't know how to say that, I'm so sorry. Avenue alternative. They have the blueberry, strawberry print. They have the papaya and like this yellowy print, and then they have a blue one. So stretchy. The pants do not have pockets. The fabric is just like a spandexy, perfect material, honestly, especially for me since I'm pregnant and I'll be postpartum and breastfeeding. So comfortable. I love finding more affordable options for clothing like this. I got a size medium, by the way. It's definitely like a flowy fit. Stay true to your size. I just got a medium because once again, I'm pregnant. Do you know that I'm pregnant? Or have I not said it 100 times in today's video? Been seeing this all over TikTok. I decided to give it a try. It is the L'Oreal True Match Nude Tinted Serum. I feel like foundations are really out this year, and it's all about lighter coverage, more natural finishes, and natural skin coming out while still, you know, evening out your skin tone. I have pretty red skin underneath, so I definitely need something that's going to even me out before I add, you know, bronzer and contour and blush. This is amazing. I definitely have a tad too dark of a shade, but it's fine. I have the shade, what are you? Oh, light pale. But since it's such light coverage, I feel like it just creates like a really nice bronzy look. It's a perfect sheeny glass skin finish without making me feel like a grease ball. It's what I'm wearing on my skin today. I absolutely love it. I didn't even set it with powder or anything like that. All the other products I use are cream products, so I feel like it just looks so nice and glowy and natural. I've been wanting to get into pickleball. I literally have not a single idea what it is or what the difference between pickleball and tennis is, but I want to get into it now that the weather is slowly but surely cooling down in Houston. So what did I do? I went all in. I got this set of pickleball. The balls are pink. That's like just such a green flag. It comes with this little bag thing to hold everything, and then it comes with 4 stunning paddles because I want to force my friends to play with us. So my husband is gonna have to deal with the pink. They're so cute, so fun, so preppy. I've been looking at pickleball paddles for so long, and y'all, the cutie ones are like $100 each. That's crazy. They also have a more like masculine version. They have so many fun color combinations. I'm so excited. This would make the best Christmas gift, and the best part is that you get all of this, 4 paddles, the 4 balls, and the little carrying case for $28. So run, don't walk. Back in the summer, before I knew I was pregnant, I did a try-on haul, and I tried on a really stunning Zimmerman alternative dress that I even said in the try-on haul, I was like, I feel like this dress makes me look pregnant. What did I do now that I'm pregnant? I bought it. I bought it in this color combination because I think it's so beautiful, so fun, and more importantly, so me. I love a white dress, but y'all, pink and orange, are you kidding? So I got this color combo. I think this is perfect for newborn photos or like that postpartum stage where you're still pretty swollen and you really don't feel like putting on anything tight or nice. But since this is like a baby doll style dress and it's so forgiving, I think this is gonna be perfect. It's also nice for baby showers and the holidays and things like that. So I might even pick up the white one for a baby shower that I have coming up. Detailing with the buttons and just the embroidery, this does not feel like a $40 dress, and I just love it so freaking much, so I had to share. I have to share this with y'all now because by the time November rolled around last year, these were gone, sold out. No one could get a hand on them, and they are back in stock, back to the regular price of $17 for 3 of these beautiful brass. I don't know where the third one is at the moment, so I'm just showing you 2, but they are the most gorgeous brass bells. They come with the velvet ribbon and the bow. They're amazing. So like I said, they sold out last year. I would order them now. They're also like kind of back ordered, so I'm definitely ordering a ton because I am redoing my entire Christmas decorations this year, but I had to warn y'all before I myself sell them out. Tell me this wouldn't make the cutest little gift for a coworker or a friend. They are Book Kitchen sponges. Moby Dish. The sponge also rises. Pride and Prejudice Margit dish. How precious. I mean, the colors are adorable. This is such a cutie gift that's actually really useful. Like, you can put them together as if they were books on your little shelf in the kitchen. This is just precious, so inexpensive, perfect little stocking stuffer. You can also divide them up. I just can't. This is so cute. I truly believe little things like this really make a difference when decorating a house or a room. Recently we redid our addition and, you know, finished it. We have new outlet cover switches, and I found this one that is kind of simple, but I love the detailing. I think it's so pretty. I got it for only $11, and if you know, like hardware, switch plates, things like that, if you want something cute, they're usually pretty expensive. I also have some really beautiful brass ones for our house, in Olivia's room, in our powder room, entryway. So Amazon is definitely the place to go if you're looking for hardware and things like that. I have an entire tab with our renovation favorites, and I try to find like very affordable, like Anthropologie lookalikes and things like that, but on an Amazon price point. And because I cannot be tamed, like I said, I'm shopping for gift card recommendations. So I got this set of playing cards that I thought was so fun and cute. It's by the brand Bando, and I just need to show y'all how cute these cards are. Like, isn't that the cutest thing ever? And I love the box. I feel like it just serves as decor. I just can't. I think this is adorable, and it was like $16. So perfect coworker gift, you know, friend, bestie. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, guys, I feel like that was such a good haul. I feel so proud of myself because I really saved so many of like my favorite finds this month for today's video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I am just so excited for the holiday season. It's like, probably, not to toot my own horn, but like what I do best. It's what my channel thrives in, you know, doing gift guides, doing gift recommendations, sales. So I'm so excited. If you're new here, if you've never watched my holiday season content, I highly recommend you subscribe. I do so many giveaways. I do a ton of gift guides at different price points for different people. So stay tuned and subscribe for more. Like I said, I will be doing the Amazon sale coverage very soon. So like I said, stay tuned and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.